Declaration of Sovereignty. All is love. Fear is an illusion. All beings are free. Truth can never be destroyed. I do not consent to the use of military-grade psychological operations and false flags deployed against the population to incite division, classification, violence, and hatred towards any human being to hide the crimes made against humanity. I do not consent to the deceptive methods of those intentionally orchestrating a well-funded and organized destruction of Western society, along with the goal of total annihilation of human freedoms and civil liberties. I choose unity with human beings who truly want to live as free citizens with individual rights and protections that are God-given and natural laws, as all humans are made equal under God. I do not consent to have any human being, living being, entity, person, corporation, secret group, or representative of their overlords or off-world allies, anyone working for or with any of the above to spy, survey, look into, watch, or in any way intrude upon or invade our privacy and right to our personhood for any reason. I do not consent to planetary harnessing and surveillance structures and methods that track me, collect data on me, or seek to predict and influence our conscious decisions without our knowledge and awareness. Each experience is for my consciousness. It's for my personal growth and development. This is not for any corporation or organization to seek profit or personal gain. They are not to be controlled by anyone, any person, entity, corporation, government, or religion, except directly by my individual and personal self. These experiences, which are part of my unique life experience, cannot be used by any other being, human, entity, corporation, group, or anyone or anything, for example, something that is not me as a clone. My consciousness cannot be used in any way that creates money for profit while demeaning, dehumanizing, degrading, or negatively affecting the living being that is myself. The anti-life medical system existing on all reaches of the planet is now and forever forbidden to use or profit from any of my DNA, RNA, soul, spiritual essence, body parts, organs, blood or blood record, lineage, patriarchal or matriarchal, connections in the past, present, and future time. All superimposed karmic loads in the inverted and reversal systems of the AI are now fully terminated. The addition of any negative alien agenda, artificial intelligence, to any of my body's body parts, other selves, and stations of identity is now expressly forbidden at this moment and for eternity. The prostitution of my human body, which houses my unique DNA, that is my private domain to buy, sell, own, or control, is forbidden and banned. The buying, selling, and owning of my unique and personal DNA, energy, physical body, and consciousness anywhere in the universe, dimension, astral level, or world is now forbidden and fully banned. Harvesting our human energy by any negative alien group, organization, corporation, government, religious sect, cult, astral entity, imposter, spirit, or anyone who is not directly my single soul occupied being is now forbidden and banned. Whatever form it takes, our energy is our creation. I do not consent to have it harvested for others to use or to profit from for personal gain. Buying, selling, and controlling amounts to consciousness slavery. Slavery is forbidden by me under my own God-ordained free will and cosmic sovereign law. I do not consent to the use of AI, alien machines, nanotechnology, parasites, or any other type of infectious disease, infectious technology, biowarfare, or genetically engineered organisms whensoever, wheresoever, now, in the past, or the future, or in this present time, to be used upon my human physical body or mind consciousness, soul, spirit, or avatar. I terminate all blood sacrifice and satanic ritual abuse of our body, mind, and spirit on all levels of our being. I do not consent to any type of mind control or the use of artificial intelligence technology implants, living or non-living, to be used on our being or physical body, our etheric body or electromagnetic body, astral body, consciousness, or my 12th dimensional blueprint, which could have any effect upon my physical body, mind, consciousness, soul, spirit, in any shape or form. I do not consent to the external creation of dreams or manipulating timelines, or my consciousness to be manipulated during the sleep state. I do not consent to any other human being, corporation, cult, government, religion, entity, fallen angelic imposter, spirit, AI, machine, dimensional being, entering or implanting my consciousness on any level at any time. I do not consent to any type of AI frequency waves used for biospiritual warfare or psychotronic attack against organic human beings in the past, present, or future times. I terminate all targeting and attack of my Christos 12th dimensional blueprint and beyond. The human physical esoteric bodies, our unique DNA, our selves, our mind, our living consciousness, soul, spirit, or avatar in any way that is negative or feeding the controller mechanism a negative alien agenda. This includes any type of secret, covert, earth-based, off-world-based AI, which includes locations on moons, asteroids, satellites, or any other undisclosed places being used that project pulses, beams, waves, or any other unknown frequency which has been identified as detrimental to the human body, human freedom, and life form through mind, consciousness, soul, spirit, and beyond. I do not consent to the use of fluoride in our drinking water or any GMO substance, including food grown for human use, as well as any kind of soft kill methods used to employ mind control and consciousness enslavement on this planet. I do not consent to any mind control programming or remote new neural mapping of my brain, body, mind, consciousness, or military abduction or kidnapping on any level of my conscious being or body by the controller's negative alien agenda or Orion group. I do not consent to the use of psychotronic attacks or psycho-spiritual warfare, black occult, false, white light beings, black magicians, icons, demons, false angelics, or imposter spirits of any shape or form, from mind manipulation or any form of frequency attack against my living being or consciousness bodies. I do not consent to AI programs of machine-like robotic technology, either physically, ethically, or astrally implanted, used in any way to track, alter, torment, attack, abuse, inflict harm to my body, my consciousness, my mind, my astral layers, my soul, my spirit, or my avatar, any time or place for any reason. Dismantle the AI hive mind cloud of combined neural net brains of targeted individuals in the past, present, and future timelines, which are fully commanded in natural law, sovereign and free living consciousness beings now. I do not consent to the deception or lies of any kind being used on my living being anywhere, which creates negative outcomes concerning the health and welfare of my body, mind, and soul, spirit, or impacts my free will, prosperity, wealth, health, abundance, and happiness, also described as within my consciousness life stream. I collapse and close and seal all negative timelines, clones, anti-life, anti-human, anti-Christ, superimposed karmic loads, false memories, and holographic insert technology used to control my perceptions and subvert my consciousness now. I invalidate and break any valid contract, agreement made by myself, anytime, any place, or anywhere, across all time, space, and dimension, as well as any treaties or contracts considered to be off-world, interdimensional, or a part of serving the controller mechanism a negative agenda.